Are you bored and have absolutely nothing to do?
Yeah.
Do your overprotective parents not let you play with violent weapons?
No, not.
Introducing the Nerf gun that doesn't shoot.
Where did this come from?
Where's the ammo?
The Nerf gun that doesn't shoot is just as fun as the original. And it's perfectly safe for kids to use. Old Nerf guns hurt. A lot. And they're not sending the right message to kids. But our Nerf guns that don't shoot are fun and safe. Your kid will love learning nonviolence and peaceful conflict resolution. Remember, parents, this Christmas, it's Nerf and nothing.